Triggers, tell me why mirrors only fog up when you need them the most. You be driving smooth, vibing, everything going right. Then boom, the mirrors fog up like they're protecting classified information. Not when you're parked, not when you're cruising straight. No, it's always when you're changing lanes, backing or squeezing through something tight. Now you gotta lean forward with your eyes big, wiping the mirrors with your eyes. Turning your head at weird angles like, okay, I think I'm clear. You crack the window thinking that'll help. Now it's cold. Now it's loud. Now you're uncomfortable and blind. And don't let it be nighttime. Because fog plus yard lights equals absolutely nothing useful. Just vibes, no visibility. So now you're talking to your truck like, please, just give me 10 seconds of clarity. Meanwhile, fool-wheelers think you're being dramatic. But you know, foggy mirrors turn confident truckers into cautious philosophers. By the time they finally clear up, you already made the move. Heart racing, hands sweating, trusting instincts in Jesus. Tell me why trucks do this on purpose. Or comment if you've ever wiped your mirror knowing damn well it would not help.